Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to edit your image with Google Nano Banana image generator with your Gemini AI tool. All these tools are Google tool AI that you can use to edit your image or for free. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to make sure you download and install Gemini AI app on your Android phone or iPhone. After you have downloaded it, make sure you are using the latest version. So next thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Gemini AI. So when you open up your Gemini AI, it's going to load up and then you update to a latest version of 2.5 flash right here. That is when you can see create image with Nano Banana right here. How do you use this Nano Banana to edit your image? So once you launch your Gemini AI, go ahead and click on here and then make sure you switch to create image and make sure you switch to create images with Nano Banana. Click on that. Then you can now see that you have been taken to image section right here. Next thing you want to do is to go back and click on this plus sign right here to upload your image. So I'm going to click on here now. Then here I will go ahead and upload from gallery. So open up your gallery. Then this time around, I'm going to go ahead and select a picture from my phone album right here from my gallery. So I'm going to select this little baby picture. Then I will go ahead and upload. Then having uploaded the image, now I want to tell Nano Banana to remove the background of this image. Can you please remove the background from this image and replace it with a unique background? Then send. Let's find out. So just like so, now you can see that the background has been completely removed and replaced with a nice background. Now here, we can go ahead and continue to ask Nano Banana to edit this image. So we come back here and say, can you please make the image in 8K higher resolution? Then send. Now you can see the quality has increased. So we can go ahead and say, can you please add a beautiful rose flower to the image and we send. Let's find out. So you can see the baby now has a rose flower. So here we can go ahead and say, can you please look for a nice art car for the image? Then we send. Let's see. So right here, I will be happy to add a nice art or cap to the image. What kind of art or cap will you prefer? For example, a cute animal hat, a stylish bunny, baseball cap, something else entirely. So I'm going to tell the Gemini AI right here that I need a cute, a stylish bunny. then send. Now we have it right here in a beautiful way. So you can see this is where we start. This is the original image right here. So you can see the original image. Then you can see what we have right here with Google Nano Banana. It's that simple. You can go on and ask that, can you please change the image background with more with Nigerian flag then send. Let's find out. Beautiful. Now you have it right here. It's that simple. You can go on and see how you can actually edit your image with your Nano Banana. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to edit your image using Nano Banana, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.